Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for visiting if you are already a fan. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. I'm doing a double unboxing today, and as you can see, I've got two Gucci goodies right here. And for those of you who follow me on Instagram, I think you might be able to guess what is in these boxes because I've been thinking about this and talking about it a bit, it usually takes me a while to make a decision on a handbag purchase or really any purchase. So I finally have these two that I wanted to share with you guys. So let's open them up. I ordered them both from Saks Fifth. They were having, and I think they are still having, a 10% cashback promo deal with Ebates. I'm a huge fan of Ebates if you are here in the States. It's an app where you just download it quickly on your phone and you can get some cash back from various stores. So here, as you can see, they are identical. It is actually the same item, believe it or not. I will be keeping one, not both. Interesting that the dust bag is different. So on this one, it's the same item, but this one you've got the flap, and on this one here you've got the drawstring. Oop, peek. With a larger Gucci tag. So I don't know why. Like I said, they're both from Saks. I ordered them in two separate orders because I ordered one and then I thought, maybe I want the other color, and I ordered the other one. So let's see. But it is a little odd that the dust bags are different. Dun 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 dun! So it is the Gucci Super Mini. Let me move these over. This is the Super Mini in the black. This is all sheepskin with the aged gold hardware. Give you a close-up. There's a little bit of wrinkling even though this is brand new, so I guess that is normal. And you've got the matelasse stitching, just like that chevron style, and then of course the cute little heart in the back. I am a little disappointed that this is brand new. I literally just received the shipment the other day. And as you can see, there is what do I call this? Kind of sagging, and then at the bottom too, for a brand new one, you would think it would be a little bit more neat. I did see a bunch of these available on pre-loved sites, and I did see the sagging and the sort of squish factor, and I thought, wow, those bags must have been loved for a long time and used well, and that's why they are sagging like that. But these are brand new, so I don't know. I guess honestly I am disappointed. You have the snap closure, and it says here Gucci, the snap here. I think a magnet would be easier, but it is a snap. And okay, so some of my friends on Instagram were writing to me separately and just sort of kindly warning me that this super mini bag is really a super mini and more like a wallet, and I get it. I know it's really small, but I actually wanted something tiny because I thought it'd be super easy and light, and I'm actually a minimalist when it comes to carrying my bags. Oh, look at that, so funny. The do not eat pack is also, it says Gucci on it. That's so cute. Okay, so let me just get this all out so I can get a close-up of the inside. It has the really soft microfiber, and then it has the Gucci Made in Italy tag on the inside with the kind of like little keychain, which is nice. So yeah, I had a bunch of Instagram friends reach out saying it's super cute. I've had my eye on this too, but you're not going to be able to fit anything. So be 100% sure. And I knew, I had seen this bag a few times at the Gucci store, and I knew that it was tiny. But let me just show you guys. I have, of course, my iPhone 7 Plus case, since I'm filming with my phone right now, as usual. And that literally just fits, so I think if you have a bigger phone, it's going to be tight. There's maybe 2 centimeters left over, and maybe I'd say 1 centimeter to be safe because it will be a snug, it would be tight putting it in and out. And then I have my card case, which I pretty much carry in all of my bags, and my little pouch with my keys, since I don't have a legit key pouch for my keys yet. And that's pretty much it. I could probably plop in a little lip balm and probably not any sunglasses. Unless they were super small frame, maybe I could plop them on the top. Or actually, yeah, I can probably put something right here and it would be really snug. Okay, let's see. So this is what I don't love about the snap, because you have to really look at where you're closing. Okay. So it's really cute, and I wanted this bag not only because it was such a cute small size, it's at a really affordable price considering it's Gucci, right? In the designer range for $890. Not bad. And you can wear this so many different ways. You can wear it on your shoulder, you can wear it crossbody, you can remove the strap and wear it as a clutch or maybe even as a cute little wallet. And I love the fact that you can wrap it around and wear it as a belt bag, and that's why I was drawn to it, because I don't have any belt bags. But you know, sometimes you just have to feel and play around with the bag for a while, put your own stuff in it. I told one of my friends recently I really need to just kind of walk around with the bags and get a feel. And now that I'm holding this in my hands and just playing with it, there are a few things I don't love, even though it's so cute and small. I don't love the sagging, and I wouldn't buy a base shaper or an insert for this bag. I have one for the Chanel Walk, and it's amazing. It's a game changer. But for this bag, I wouldn't do it because it's already so tiny. It's smaller than the Walk, and I think it would take up that little bit of space that I need, actually. So I don't love the sagging. It's really not structured. It's not holding its shape. I think that whenever you snap here, it will get even more smushed because you have to press down quite hard on the snap. The wrinkling here, I don't love considering it's new. And I won't take this off because now I'm not sure if I'm keeping this bag. The chain is pretty, but I can already tell that it's kind of heavy, not super heavy, but it's substantial in its weight. And the bag is so light. It's so small and light, but the chain in comparison feels almost too heavy for the bag. I don't know, the balance is off, and it also feels quite cold. So the only bag that I really, really love, well, it's not considered a bag, I think it's technically an SLG, is my Chanel wallet on chain, and it has the classic, it has the chain with the caviar leather woven through, and so maybe because it's a combo with the leather, it's not as cold to the touch, and it feels daintier. I'm imagining wearing this as a belt bag, and I feel like it would either pull down on me or it would just feel a little heavy, and I like small bags to feel super lightweight, like I almost forget that I'm wearing a bag. So those are my first impressions, although my goodness, look how small it is. It's so cute. Let me show you really quickly compared to the mini pochette, the Louis Vuitton mini pochette, because I think many of you have it or know of it, and I think it would be an interesting comparison. So here's my mini pochette in the damier bin. It's like almost the same size. It's funny. So this is how small the Gucci Super Mini is. I mean, you can fit this in, and that's that. I don't think you'd be able to close it. No, it'd be tight. But wow, it's really tiny. Okay, so let me just quickly, let me show you also just a regular compact size wallet. This is my Saint Laurent croc embossed wallet that I love, love, love. That looks humongous next to this mini. I would never think to use a traditional wallet in this mini. I would just use a card holder or just throw in some cash or cards. The other thing, oh, by the way, that I don't love, and you guys know I love compartments. There are no compartments in here. Even like a tiny little slit open pocket would be nice, because then you could put some credit cards there, right? And separate it from your other stuff. So, I don't know. First impressions. For me, I think it looks so adorable on other people. I love the way it looks on people, but this bag may not be for me. And look at this. So, it's in the red. Yes. What's going on with sacks? So, this was wrapped. The black one was wrapped nicely. The red one has no wrapping. Which I guess is good for us, right? Because then I can really show you the chain. It's all just one piece. There's no leather. It's cold. It's definitely cold to the touch. I don't know why it's cut like that. I don't know. I wonder if somebody bought this and returned it. Anyway, again, you see smushing. I mean, it looks super cute in the red. If I were to keep one, I'd probably keep the red just because, first of all, I have too many black bags. I love black. But I think for a tiny bag like this, a pop of color is really fun. Oh, look. So the red is really pretty. I'm wearing sort of like a pumpkin-y, orangey red color on my nails, and this is more of like a bluish undertone. So it is a true red. But I think in certain lighting it looks prettier, and others it looks more tomatoey. My son is holding up a lamp right now. Oh, it looks pretty like this. It's like a Christmassy red. And then the heart in red looks really pretty. Thank you, honey. Okay, so same as before, same interior, microfiber. Everything is the same. But I just noticed something. When I open, yeah, guys, look at that. There's like a little chip in the hardware, or like a little dent. And what is this? Is this glue or residue, or do you guys see that? I feel like I'm being super picky, but if you watched my Chanel unboxing video and the other videos detailing my saga with my Chanel classic flap and why I was so excited, but then why I had to return my recent purchase, I think I'm a little bit scarred from that experience, and now I'm inspecting everything. And granted, Gucci's on a different level. This bag, like I said, I think is what, $890, plus I got the 10% cashback promo. So it is a fraction of the cost of Chanel bags. But still, this is not cheap. And the quality should be good, and they're known to be good, right? Gucci bags are known to have good quality, but look. Yeah, that is undeniably some kind of like chip in the hardware. And then this stuff, it's like this white, sticky, it almost feels like glue. Like when you put crazy glue on something and it gets on your fingers. Okay, so let me just put them side by side for those of you who are thinking about the Gucci Super Mini, maybe as a holiday present for yourself or for someone. They are super cute. I would vote for the red. I think the white is also super pretty, but obviously we then have to worry about color transfer and taking better care of the bag, and I don't really want to have something high maintenance like that. I recently sold my Chanel Rodeo Drive Hobo bag in white or like an ivory color to Fashion File, and it was primarily because I wasn't using it and I was really intimidated by the light color. So I don't know, but if you're really careful with your bags and you like winter whites, I think the Super Mini in this type of color is really, really, really pretty. But if you're deciding between these two, I like the red. I would love to know your thoughts in the comments below. Just tell me your vote, black or red, if you had to choose between the two. Let's just imagine somebody's giving you a gift and you had to choose between these two colors. Which one would you take and why? Would love to know. But I think I will take a few days to decide. But I think I'm leaning towards returning both, actually. And that's super disappointing because I was so excited to finally get one of these. Not that they're hard to get, but just because I have been hemming and hawing for a while. And I really thought it would be super cute as a belt bag. But yeah, I'm leaning towards returning them both and figuring out something else. Unless you guys think otherwise, I would love for you to share your comments in the comment section below. But yeah, that was my quick double unboxing of the Gucci Super Mini. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful. I would love for you to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. I would love for you to join the Handbag Fan Club. I have several new items that I will be unboxing over the next couple of days and weeks leading up to the holidays. I'm really excited to do those. So if you're interested, also hit the notification bell and you'll be one of the first to be notified when a new video is up. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah! Bye!